Guys, look at this thing. This thing looks brand new. So things kind of escalated quickly in this video. Let me show you something. It's kind of bad. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're working on the Golf R. We've got a new spoiler, and I finally fixed the fender. I want to give a big thank you to Simplicity Auto out in Brampton for fixing my fender and doing such a freaking good job on the color match. This is a very hard color to color match. Once I buff the rest of the car, it'll actually look even better. The clear coat's probably yellowed out over the years a little bit, so the goal is we're gonna let that kind of sit there for a little bit, and then we are going to buff the car. We're gonna bring the DC Auto Spot to get that done. And I want to give a big thank you to NOS Auto Works for installing the fender. I definitely could have done it, but time and space is my issue, and they did such a good job installing it. They cleaned everything underneath and got it done. When they were under there, they did notice that my strut was starting to leak a little bit. So that brings me up for debate in what to do. Shall we possibly do coilover? Shall we get a new strut? I'm not sure. I don't want to bag the car just yet. There's other things that need to be done before a purchase of that price point happens. Let me know down below what you guys think I should do. Another big thank you goes to Steven at Mayfield Honda for hooking me up with such a good deal on the fender itself. One thing I was actually surprised is I thought this was like a clip that goes into it. Just double side tape. If you guys want the Golf R fenders, it's the same as the GTI, and I believe the normal Golfs, you just need to get yourself a badge. So I got this lovely spoiler off MK7 Josh, and this thing is wrapped on the outside and it is carbon on the inside. He gave me such a good deal. What I'm doing right now is just removing all the 3M tape that's stuck here. So I'm going to tackle that right now, and then we are dropping this back off to Simplicity Auto, because what they're going to do is they're going to paint it and do the same kind of color scheme. We're gonna have the white at the top, and we're gonna keep the carbon right at that mark right there. So let's see how this guy looks. We'll full mock it up. Honestly, at one point I thought about leaving it black, because it just doesn't look too bad at all being black, but I think being white and then having the carbon underneath will look so much better. It's gonna sit better in this. I'm just kind of using the max and spoiler to kind of hold it up. Let's see if we can get a little further look. Oof. It's gonna look so good. So now it is time to remove this guy. It's a little faded, but still in good condition. If anyone wants it, let me know, comment down below, or DM me on Instagram, work out a nice deal. It'd be cool to see it go to one of my viewers. Not bad. I'm gonna keep going at it. It's honestly doing wonders in comparison to just using my finger with rubbing alcohol. Wonders. This was like literally 2 minutes. I'm just giving it a break. I don't want to go at it for too long, but ideally this is almost like buffing with some type of compound on it that allows it to remove. It's almost like a rubber wheel. It feels like a rubber eraser, but it's coming off really easily, and the paint looks okay. I'll link the product down below if you guys do want to try grabbing it. I think this has been the best thing I've used yet. This was like 5 minutes, not even 3 minutes of doing it, and it's a big difference. One thing I did notice, chipped off a little bit of paint in the corner here. I kept everything flat. I know how these work, and still kind of chips, so we need a little bit of touch of paint there. But aside from that, big difference. The other day I was at this for half an hour, and I could barely budge it. Within 5 minutes, this looks way better. Now we need some rubbing alcohol, and it's gonna look so much better. So things kind of escalated quickly in this video. We were supposed to just get the spoiler painted, but let me show you something. It's kind of bad. The quarter started rusting throughout the winter, and I tried using some touch-up paint, but it's just so goddamn bad. Like, there's no saving it. Maybe from far up here, it's a little less noticeable. And then on this side, it's happening too. And then we have a little bit on the roof here. My goal is to keep this car long-term, at least 5 years. And I don't want it rotting out on me because it's too good of a car. So we're gonna get it fixed. Simplicity hooked it up, And basically what happened here is we went from just painting the spoiler to fixing both quarters and possibly the roof, depending if they can find me a glass. The only thing is, it's Sunday today and I need this car for Saturday. So they will be on a time crunch and they guarantee to finish it in less than a week. So they're gonna put this on priority. I think it's gonna look absolutely amazing with the new spoiler and all that. I think it's going to turn out really good. I'm nervous and excited all at the same time. I do want this car lasting me a long time, and luckily the rust is just surface level. That's why I want to tackle it now before it gets any deeper and any worse. All right guys, I'll see you tomorrow when we drop off the car at Simplicity Auto. I can't wait. So the day is almost done here and we're gonna drop off the Golf R soon. Every Friday here at Garage 16, we do an insane deal on something really good. I'm gonna show you what's coming up. Depending on how this is edited, this may be gone already, but every Friday we grab one of our most expensive parts and we discount it heavily. This is a carbon fiber trunk for an EK Coupe, and we're gonna do a crazy good deal on it. I can't discuss any pricing just yet, but I just want to show you guys a bit of a preview. We are en route to Simplicity Auto. Let's get this bad boy fixed up. Honestly, I haven't got a car painted in years. I know they do fantastic work there. That's why I trust them fully with doing this. And I'm actually super excited. Surprisingly not nervous. Most of the time I do get nervous, but I know I'm in good hands, so it will come out great. All right, boys, we are here at Simplicity Auto. We are dropping off the Golf R. It is in good hands. I will see this car in a week, and you guys are gonna see the work that is done. I am super excited, and I can't wait till we fix it because it looks like shit. I was not expecting to get the car today, but as I was driving to work, or Alexander was driving me to work, I got the call that the car is ready. So we're pulling up in a few seconds. I'm mad excited. I think it's gonna look way better, obviously with no rust and a new spoiler on. Guys, look at this thing. This thing looks brand new. It is wild. Look at the carbon. This was exactly the look I was going for right there. Check that out. See that line coming across? Super smooth at the top and then carbon there. The guys here at Simplicity Auto in Brampton, off Rutherford. I'm gonna put all the details down below in the comment section and the description. So if you guys need any work done whatsoever, come check them out. Look how good these quarters look. They updated me with photos throughout the entire process. Look how nice this looks now. Absolutely insane. They absolutely killed it. I'm so freaking happy with this. Especially the spoiler now. It looks so good and it adds to the car. My God. Now, we definitely need to get some wheels on here because I feel like this rear end's way too aggressive for these stock wheels. God freaking damn it. I actually showed up a little early. They were getting the car ready. They installed the spoiler. They put a patch in there. They fixed the side over here. We painted the rear bumper. It looks so nice and fresh. Just had so many marks on it. And I had like a PPF protection film there that I did not want. Wow. Now what I'm gonna actually do is bring this car to DC Auto Spa, and he's gonna polish up all the old panels, and this thing's gonna look like it basically came off the showroom.
That's almost like your bumper mounting bracket.
Wow, look at that. My goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Look at it. It looks so freaking good. I am so happy. Honestly, guys, if you guys want your car done right in an insane time frame, check out Simplicity Auto here on Rutherford. I am 10 out of 10 happy, and I'm a super picky guy. What I need to do now is get the rest of the car polished. We'll probably hit up DC Auto Spa, but I am extremely happy. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Super happy how the car came out. The guys killed it there at Simplicity Auto in Brampton off Rutherford Road. I will link all the info down below. I am ecstatic how everything turned out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe, and made it.